Okay, me and Tia and Brandish are in downtown Dallas right now, and this is a board wall mount air conditioner. Let's see, serial. Where's the serial? Serial number. I don't know what year. Oh, it's from 2012. I think. Here's the compressor. This thing is brand new almost, it looks like. And there is another one way back there. This is actually, I'm gonna go see if I can get a look at it real quick from the inside. I'll be back. Okay, so this is the inside of it. It appears that all it is just a couple of vents. I don't see a thermostat or anything in here. Anyways. I guess that was a car. Oh no, you can probably see the filter in there. I guess this is the return. Oh geez, it's loose. Oh, there's the thermostat right there. Honeywell. It's like a Honeywell focus control or something.